everyone. Welcome back to the Artist Allowed Music Awards 2014, where we are announcing the winners on the hour, every hour. And to present the award for the Best Composition jury, we have with us the incredible Salim Merchant. Hi, Salim.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for being a part of the Artist Allowed Music Awards. What do you have to say about Artist Allowed, the platform?
I think it's a brilliant platform for independent music. There are so many artists who really need their music to come out. There's so many bands and so many musicians who need their music to be heard by the whole world. And Artist Allowed is a fantastic platform for independent music to come out. They make it so easy for every artist to bring out their music in the best way to reach out to the whole world. It's really a beautiful blessing.
What do you look for in a composition for it to appeal to you?
I honestly look for soul. I honestly look for that thing in the music which hits my heart. A lot of times we get stuck with technicalities, and we'll try to listen to, oh wow, how lovely it is, and how the singer has sung such notes and the composer has made incredible structures with complexities and this and that, and you get lost with the real impact of music. So I actually look for the soul, for the beautiful emotion in that composition which hits my heart and makes me feel fantastic.
That's so great to hear from you. Let's take a look at the nominations. So the nominations for the Best Composition Jury Awards are
and the award goes to Mel May by Dope Studio. I loved Siddharth's vocals. Sid, you've done a fabulous job, buddy. Really sounding amazing.
Congratulations to the winner. Thank you so much, Salim, for being with us.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure. See you guys in 1 hour, where we announce the final award for the Artist Allowed Music Awards 2014. Salim, this is the Hungama app. I'll just take you through this. For example, if I search for you, there is your whole artist
Cool.
radio on this, all your songs back to back.
Wow.
And apart from this, there is also separate categorization for your movies, albums, all that things.
Wow, very impressive.
Does it look good?
Very impressive.
Yeah.
Very nice. So it just plays songs
It
back
just
to back.
plays. You just have to
Hit
do
it
this,
and then
that's it.
Very nice.
Right.
Brilliant.